Hi everybody, Jason Pohl here again with KW Platinum. Want to do a quick rundown of the open house I'm going to be doing tomorrow from 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. This is going to be located at 4302 Indian Trail Lane, and that's in East China, Michigan. Now, the reason why I want to do this video and really get the word out about this is it's not one of my listings. An agent that I'm pretty good friends with called me up, said, Jason, I got a listing that just about to come out, that just came out. But he wasn't going to be around this weekend to do the open house and asked me if I'd be willing to do it for him. So I took a look at it, saw some of the specs, and I said absolutely, because I think I'll be able to get a lot of people out there. The main point I wanted to show everybody about this is the fact that I don't know the exact situation. Again, it's not one of my listings, but to put it simply, the natural gas rights are included with the property. In other words, this is a home that's heated natural gas, and you get all your natural gas for free. So in other words, say goodbye to your heating bill. You'd have pretty much no heating bill with this. And if you're anything like me, when these cold winters come around, that can be a huge savings in its own. So I saw that and I said, oh, absolutely. I'll be happy to do that open house there. So again, this is at 4302 Indian Trail Lane. That's in East China, Michigan. I'm going to go over some pictures of the property here in just a minute, but I wanted to show you some things about it itself. So here's a rating of the schools in the area. Now, there's three major rating systems I found that rate schools in this area. And the one I like to use is it does it on a 10-point scale instead of a 5-point. I feel that it is a lot more, looks at a lot more criteria, and they're a lot more tough, I guess I should say. It's rare that I see a 9. So you can see right here, the elementary school's up at a 9 there. 7, that's really good with this rating system. 6 is about average, but so you get really good schools this location right here. Now you're in East China, which is kind of country living, but I want to show you it doesn't really put you far away from anything. You know, you got nine restaurants in the area, 6 golf courses, and here's the thing. The farthest, as far as convenience is concerned, the farthest thing you're going to find is a gym 7 miles away, but everything else you can see is really not that far at all. Now, it does come with just over an acre of property. I believe it's 1.3 acres. It's 3-bedroom, 2 full baths, and you get that for under $200,000. And again, no heating bill. So the people there, the sellers, they still live there at the moment. So you're going to see that they're going to have in these pictures here. There's furniture and stuff. That's because they're still living there. So when we're looking at these pictures, I want you to try to look at them as if the rooms were bare, so you can really get an idea of what we're talking about. So right here, you kind of see this is like a second living room, like a den kind of. We got a couple bedrooms here, washer and dryer included. Washer and dryer comes with the property. Looks like this is the master bedroom. Here you got the kitchen, opens to the dining room, opens to the living room. Over here, another picture of the kitchen. Full basement. Here's your dining room. Here's the picture we started out at. So again, I'm going to be there tomorrow from 11:30 a.m. until 1 p.m. It's at 4302 Indian Trail Lane. And that's in East China, Michigan. Now, if you like the property, like what you see, but those times just don't work for you, I want you to go ahead and give me a call or text me at 810-292-9138. We can see if we can go ahead and just get a showing set up for you at a time that's a little bit more convenient. But I wouldn't hold off. Over an acre of property, 3-bedroom, 2 full baths, with the natural gas included for under $200,000. I have a feeling it's going to move pretty fast here. So again, I hope to see you there. I'll be there from 11:30 a.m. until 1 p.m. I hope to see you. Thanks.